Frustration overshadows Zanu PF Grand Conference. The 23rd of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Preparations for the 22nd Zanu PF National People's Conference, set for October in Mutare, are gathering pace, with the party leadership led by National Chairperson CDE Apa Muchinguri Kashiri, arriving in the city on Thursday to assess progress, while officials showcased party memorabilia and touted the significance of the gathering. Public sentiment remains deeply cautious. Many residents expressed doubt over whether the ruling party can bring meaningful change after more than 4 decades in power. After 45 years of independence, what has Zanu PF actually done for ordinary people? Asked one resident, speaking on condition of anonymity. We keep hearing about conferences and grand plans, but our daily struggles, jobs, healthcare services remain unchanged. Another citizen echoed the frustration, saying, "These meetings always feel like political theater. We want results, not just speeches and ceremonies. I can't see how this conference will be any different." Observers note that while the party continues to emphasize its achievements and long history, skepticism underscores a widening disconnect between leadership and ordinary citizens. Many believe these high-profile gatherings fail to address pressing national challenges and instead serve as political pageantry. As preparations continue in Mutare, the spotlight remains on whether Zanu PF can move beyond rhetoric and deliver tangible improvements to the lives of Zimbabweans.